Skuru ye secondary ya St Paul's Nyankanda hiyo kutoka se ward ya Monyerero ebunga gitutu cha North county ya Kisii niko yasiekirwa segeka maega yo muriro kubwata nse na guturubania imirubirio ya butambe kubwatika no muriro yo onekiwa gusamba boso onekiwa gusamba chinyomba cy'uburaro cyabana abamuraho butuko gukera rero na gusamba enibo yekerengo hekyo gitaramanywa gwikera bonega nonya nabo niko bono obutuki bwachakigwe eri wende konji eri gochia konekia ingikerete umuruyo kubwata negati yaborkiwa niko bono bagendrete kuringori gwa kubwatikana negekorekyo
Nasi skuru ya St Paul's Nyakanda Senior asenibo yekerengo getamanyiri yabakegosaligwa kubwatikana no gotibuka kumurero asobotko bugokera rero kohenekia egekorekyo no director bw'Chisemi Korwasi sub county ya Marani Justice Kemei asairira buna omurero yo ni gotubugete ase chinyomba cy'uburaro cy'abana abamura.
Na muda wa saa 3 ya usiku kulikuwa na kisa ya moto ambapo shule ya vulana ya shule hii ilipata kuchomeka karibu saa 3 ya usiku.
Nigo yabetereria egeikaro kia bene gokorekana ne body ye skuru amona babwatani a B'Chisemi asemerobirio ya botambe ye skuru iyo yatenenigwa na gosiekwa asegeka elioko bali baga gokora amoncherio na kumanya enibo yasalirigwe.
Mashauri ya shule board of management wamekutana tangu asubuhi na wamechukua uamuzi ya kwamba the student is temporarily closed for a few days so that we take stock of the losses encountered in the dormitory and also rectify a few issues, the property that was destroyed in the dormitory before the students report back.
Boigo ni gobotuki bogendete kwenekigwa ase kurinde abakagerwa begekorekyo bagendete kuringorigwa.
It has been going on right from last night. The DCIO and the other law enforcement agencies wamekuwa katika shule to investigate the matter, and the process is still going on. The investigations are still going on. The investigation is going on. A few suspects are still being processed at the office of the DCIO, and the parents of the students have also equally been invited there. And I don't want to comment so much because investigations are still going on, and we are going to get a final later. Thank you so much.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.